dey here?
Ah, boss, na me. Wetin happen?
Oh boy, where your oga dey?
Na me be oga for here na. Which one be oga?
You!
Ah, na me be oga na. Wetin
Come,
happen?
dey serious.
Na me be oga na. Wetin you wan do na, boss?
Come. You want my carry and they go another shop?
No.
You sure say you go fit handle this laptop?
Boss, trust me na. Tell me the problem.
You go fit go and make it do.
I go work am. Wetin dey talk?
Okay. Problem number one. I inherit am from my father. And my father inherited from his great-grandfather.
Jesus! How many generation?
You never know anything. Problem number two. You see this laptop so? Before you go plug am, make you wear hand glove for hand. Because anytime I plug am, our transformer for our area dey trip off. No go understand. Last time I carry this laptop go Wuse market, go give one boy, make he repair. 3 days back, now I hear say the guy don die. So, as you see, you go fit do am now. No problem.
What?